Hi friends, welcome to Kalpana's Kitchen. Today I'll be introducing another Pathai Babu recipe, and that is mutton chops. Okay, but I won't be preparing the recipe. My sister, younger sister Neelam will be preparing this recipe, this dish for you. And you know our guru is same.
Our mommy, of course.
So you won't find any difference in the teaching. As I'm busy preparing kaleji today. She'll be preparing this mutton chops for you. Okay, so over to my sister Neelam.
I'm going to show you all how to make mutton chops, the typical Pathare Prabhu style. Here I've taken 6 mutton chops, okay, with 6 boiled potatoes. The other ingredients what I'm going to use is ginger garlic paste, hing, turmeric powder, a garam masala, chili powder, a little curd, 2-3 pieces of cinnamon and cloves, 2 green chilies, a little kothmeer, coriander leaves, 1 egg, half lemon, and breadcrumbs, fresh, and salt and pepper. Mutton chops. Here I am putting 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a little turmeric powder, garam masala, chili powder, and salt. Now I will mix it. You can mix it with your hand, which is, you can, coat all the chops. Marination is done. Now you keep them aside. Then you take the potatoes, boiled potatoes, and I'm going to mash these potatoes and keep. Right? Here's a masher. I'm going to mash them and keep. And after that, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper for taste and a little bit of salt. And I've already cut some green chilies and some coriander leaves. Now we have to mix this nicely. Blend the salt and pepper into the mashed potatoes and keep it aside. Let's cook the mutton chops. I am putting approximately 2 tablespoons of ghee, oil. Okay. Then I am going to add the hing and the lavang and dalchini. Okay. Now let it crackle a little bit. There, it's starting to crackle now. Let's put the chops. It's giving a lovely aroma. Wow. I'm going to stir fry these chops a bit till they turn a little different color. Chops are my favorite. I just love them. They're good as a snack also, for parties as starters. There, the color is almost changed. Now we will take this green chilies and coriander leaves and we'll add that. Oh, they're looking lovely. Now there is a little bit of masala remaining in this, so I'm going to add a little water. Swirl the water and add it to it. So that, whatever little masala is remaining, we can use that also. This much water is enough. Now I'm just going to shut the cooker and let it cook for 3 whistles. Okay friends, I have just opened the cooker. The chops have been cooked very nicely, but there's a little bit gravy, and the last minute things we have to do is add this curds in that. Okay, and this half lime I'm squeezing. Done. I'll give it a nice mix now. Keeping this again on the fire and let the gravy dry up nicely. Fine. And then when it thickens up nice, I will put it into those potatoes. Coat them with potatoes and all that. Okay, now the waters are all dried up. Now I'm going to start packing them in the potato. Now I'm going to just grease my palms a little bit so that the potatoes don't stick to my hand. Right? And you roll it on your fingers, on your palm like that. Then take one chop and put it on top of this. And then take the potato and roll it round gently. See that you cover all the sides nicely. Now here I have beaten this egg and kept. I'm going to roll it. Cover the full chop with this batter. And you roll it into the bread crumbs. Cover the full thing in the bread crumbs nicely. All the chops in the potatoes, and the oil is nicely hot enough to put in the potatoes, and there it goes. And you cook it. There it's turned nice brown, golden brown. As everything is cooked over here, there's no need to keep it on a low flame. You can keep it on a high so that you can only get this crust. You can see how this crust has come. You have to get that crust. That's it. Here's the mixed product of our chops. Now you can have it and enjoy it with whatever you want. Just like that, or you can have it with sauce and have a nice time. Bye guys.
My sister has prepared these yummy mutton chops for us, and any queries, if you have any queries, you can always contact me on my email. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay? Bye friends. See you till next video. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.
Bye.